Hi everyone. I wanted to get on here quickly to welcome you back to this week of school and thank you for being here. I also just wanted to just talk to you for a second because I feel like the focus of class recently has been very much on doing a lot of practice with free response questions and preparing for the AP. And today I'm going to make some announcements in the next part of the lesson about your final exam. And I just felt like we're just talking a lot about like assessment and exams and being evaluated. And I just wanted to recognize that it's kind of that time of year when we're doing that type of thing, talking about final exams and APs, but also, we're just living in a very, very weird world right now. And it feels a little bit weird, to be honest, to be talking about those types of things and giving you a sense of like I don't want this class or LPS or school in general to feel like this negative, stressful force in your life. My hope is that it's a positive, motivating force, and it's nice to be thinking about the AP and be thinking about the future and your goals and how the AP can help you achieve those goals. But I just hope that this feels like a good opportunity that's being presented, and I hope it doesn't feel like this fearful thing, like a fear of failure. And I just want to get on here and just say that I know that you're all extremely high achieving students and you're very hard on yourselves and you hold yourselves to really high, perfect standards. And this is a time when it's really hard to be perfect. It's really hard to hold yourself to those standards, and it's really hard to be motivated. It's really hard to stay focused all day. It's really hard to balance all the responsibilities and things that are coming up. It's just a hard time to be human. And if you're listening to this and watching this, I just hope that, just to give you a little reminder of to be nice to yourself and not be so hard on yourself, and to celebrate yourself for the little things, and all, even just being here and watching this lesson and doing everything is good enough. And and I read this quote today that said, anything worth doing is worth doing badly. And I really appreciated that, because I think sometimes I can be scared to do the things that I want to do because I feel like I have to be good at them or I have to be perfect at them. And sometimes it's just like anything that's honestly worth your time and worth doing and worth engaging with and worth learning should still be valuable, even if you're doing it badly, even if you're just doing the absolute best you can, given what's going on and given the circumstances. That's still worth doing. And just a reminder for myself and for you guys to be a little bit easier on yourselves and to give yourself credit for all the hard work that you're doing and give yourself a little break from time to time.